Take a look at this 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT2. Carfax has certified the Silverado 1500 as having one owner. The Silverado 1500 has just under 38,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.